Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bang & Olufsen BEOPLAY M5 wireless speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this speaker not connecting to your phone or other device, or if it's not pairing or syncing with the app properly, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now also, if you want to set this speaker up on a new device or on a new network, or just for whatever reason you just want to set this up like it's a new speaker coming out of the box, never has been connected to anything, this will go ahead and do that for you. So all you need to do, it's quite simple. With power to the device, you're just going to come in and you're going to find this setup button right next to the power button, and you just need to press and hold this button for more than 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds that will trigger the factory reset. Once you do that, you can just let it do its reset. If you're using the app, you can go into the app and set it up again. Close the app and open it and set this one up again as a new device, and you're good to go with this as a new speaker.